Guarantee, sponsored by your Wisconsin Chevy Super Dealers.
There was nearly 3 feet of snow just on the other side of Lake Michigan as well. And take a look at these totals in northeastern Ohio and upstate New York. 55 to 65 inches of snow. Both of those spots seeing more snow in just a couple of days than we saw all last winter. Now, speaking of winter, meteorologically, or as far as weather records are concerned, winter started yesterday, and it is comprised of December, January, and February. So let's go ahead and take a look at the official forecast. First, from NOAA, or the National Weather Service, it is calling for a wet winter here in northeast Wisconsin, above normal snow or above normal rain. But it's also calling for a lot of question marks, which means equal chances of the winter being above, average, or below as far as temperatures are concerned. Meanwhile, the Old Farmer's Almanac is calling for it to be cold and snowy. Obviously, long-range forecasting is tricky at best, and usually when somebody hands me a long-range forecast, I'll just flip it around 180 degrees and I'll be like, yeah, that's probably going to work. So we'll have to wait and see. Obviously, Mother Nature has the final say, and we'll talk about that by the time we get to April. We'll see. All right. Anyway, you look at it, we're starting out cold. We have now had 7 straight days with below normal high temperatures here in northeast Wisconsin after nearly 3 months of above normal high temperatures. Having said that, we got above freezing today, and right now we're looking at upper 20s to lower 30s. Lots of sunshine this morning, giving way to lots of clouds by the afternoon, and now this evening, we do have some snow showers and flurries. Some of this courtesy of Lake Superior and Lake Michigan, working back to the south and west, and as I mentioned at the top of the newscast, we could have a couple of spots where we see a quarter to a quick half an inch with some of those snow showers. We have a trough of low pressure now moving east across the Great Lakes. Behind it, high pressure across the northern plains, and to the north and west of both of these systems, it's cold. Temperatures only in the teens while we were in the mid-30s, and that colder weather is going to start working back in here. We're going to get a little peace tomorrow with westerly winds, upper 20s. A brief warm-up Wednesday morning, mid-30s, and then much colder air is going to come pouring in here on gusty northwest winds over 40 miles per hour Wednesday evening. Tomorrow, high temperatures in the upper 20s. As these weak little systems move through, we'll have some on and off chances for some light snow showers or flurries. And when all is said and done, we could pick up a half an inch to maybe an inch in a few spots, especially north of Green Bay. So tonight, a few snow showers, lows around 20. Tomorrow, a few flurries, especially late. Sun and clouds. My 3-degree guarantee calls for a high of 29. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to the Fondy Food Pantry, which we did last Friday. I forecast a high of 25. The high was 25 degrees. So after 35 Wednesday morning, falling temperatures during the afternoon, upper 20s Thursday and Friday, but a nice little warm-up for Sunday and Monday with some 40s returning.
Packers have helped select a big tree to be on display outside of Lambeau Field.